already know the financial cost of replacing workers can equate to 1/2 to 2 times the employee's annual salary. So on average, it can cost between $25,000 and $100,000 to replace them. But when employees leave an organization, the remaining teams often find themselves without skill sets or resources, negatively impacting everything from workload pressures, which increases the likelihood of mental ill health on those left behind, to quality of work, time to completion, and ultimately productivity and bottom line profitability.